Wow. This is supposed to be the Ulturanga flyover. I've actually never ever seen it like this. This is just so wonderful. So what do you think?
It's empty. Yeah.
And
nice when it's empty.
it's empty. That's all I get, empty.
Yeah.
How wonderful is that? And are you speeding by any chance?
After 1.2 kilometers, keep riding.
What speeding? Okay, what speeding?
What is speeding?
What is speeding? Yeah, she always stays within the speed limits. There's no two words about it. So you can see that sign up there saying Jessore Road, 2.8 kilometers. So that's the road we're going to take. So we're going to go straight ahead till sort of close to the airport, and then take a right turn, and then that will be the road. So there'll be no
After
further
800 meters, keep right.
There'll be no further lefts and rights until we reach our destination today, which is Siliguri. And then tomorrow we're off to the Queen of the Hills after picking up some of our friends who are coming by the airplane tomorrow. And then we will be in the Queen of Hills in Darjeeling, and I'm sure I'll be able to show you, or we will be able to show you most of the stuff and some wonderful sights as well.